I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. What am I supposed to say? Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. We are in the month of Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you that is a must-have on my Thanksgiving table. I'm gonna show you how to make my easy cranberry sauce recipe. This is the ultimate cranberry sauce. It has a perfectly balanced sweet tart flavor. It's not overly saccharine. We're actually gonna cut back on the sugar in this recipe, but you won't miss it. And thanks to a few secret ingredients, it has a really amazing flavor and texture. We're going to add some maple syrup for complexity, some cherry jam that's going to give us a really lush texture, a pinch of cinnamon for warmth, and a few other secret things, so stay tuned. So while I often experiment with different side dishes on Thanksgiving, or maybe I roast the turkey a different way, I always make this sauce. I hope it becomes a staple on your Thanksgiving table as well. I can't wait to show you how it's made, so let's head to the kitchen. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, delicious, naturally gluten-free recipes. Also, if you click that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. First, let's talk cranberries. You can use fresh or frozen cranberries in this recipe. I'm going for fresh. I just gave them a rinse and I'm going to place them in a medium pot. Next, I'm adding sugar. We need to balance out the tartness of the cranberries. I'm also adding maple syrup. So I cut back on the sugar and I'm adding some maple syrup in its place. This is going to give us more complexity and more flavor. Another secret ingredient is to use sweet cherry jam, or you could use a black currant preserve. This is not only going to add a touch more sweetness, but it's also going to give the cranberry sauce a really luscious texture. And then my other secret, a pinch of cinnamon. This is going to provide a touch of warmth. Pour in water, and then we're going to start the burner on medium-high heat and stir until everything is evenly combined. Bring this to a boil, and then we're going to let the sauce simmer away until most of the cranberries have popped, but some are still intact. It'll take about 30 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat, and now we have two more ingredients: a half teaspoon of orange zest and a cup of chopped toasted walnuts. The orange zest is going to brighten up the sauce, but it won't be overpowering. If you want a stronger orange flavor, add more. And the walnuts are going to provide a toasty, nutty flavor and an awesome crunch. Let the sauce cool completely. It's going to thicken as it cools. And if you make the sauce ahead of time, which by the way, you can, it's going to thicken up even more in the fridge. This cranberry sauce, you guys, it's so good. I mean, I could eat it by the spoonful, and to be honest, I totally do. You can serve this easy cranberry sauce with roasted turkey or chicken. I love to pile it onto sandwiches with all of the fixings. It's also awesome over Greek yogurt as a healthy breakfast, or even on pound cake with a dollop of whipped cream for dessert. Thank you guys for tuning in. I've included a link below to this easy cranberry sauce recipe. I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other Thanksgiving recipes, from side dishes to desserts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.